First things first, appreciate your support. I'm back with the Samsung washer Eco Bubble. So if you check that red light over there, it's a sign that the machine is on child lock. So when it's on child lock, buttons won't work, the selecting knob won't work. Like it moves, but you can't select a program. So don't panic when you get a child lock. Like on a Samsung washer like this one here, you press the temperature and the rinse option simultaneously for like 3 to 5 seconds. The child lock should disappear. But unfortunately, at times you'll need a technician to do this. So have you tried moving the child lock and it's still engaged? Hey, it's simple. Remove the top panel by removing the 2 screws, because what we want to do is access the motherboard. The motherboard, we have the display board. So what happens is maybe because of humid or like on this one here, it was caused by cockroaches. So the child lock engaged because of the secretion from the roaches. So what you're going to do is access the display board, get the touchpad, clean it and plug it back. So basically it's simple. This is what you have to do. Follow these simple steps to fix.
Unajua ukimaliza hapo ataenda ndio akibisha. Unaona?